This video will help you if your copy of Google Chrome can't play Facebook, YouTube, and other videos properly. Upon playing a video, you hear the sound, but video won't play. In addition, you can fix the Facebook video chat black screen problem in Google Chrome by following this video. In this video, I will be sharing 6 potential solutions to this problem. Make sure your copy of Windows or any installed software is regularly updated. Updates are as important as having an antivirus. Updates address security issues, bring new features, and fix errors. Update your copy of Google Chrome. Though it does not work all the time, but it could fix the issue. To update Google Chrome, at the top right, click the icon with 3 dots. Hover mouse cursor over Help, and click About Google Chrome. It will automatically start checking for updates, and if updates are available, it will automatically download and install updates. If you get any errors here, then download the Google Chrome installer, close Chrome and then installs Chrome. Hopefully it will fix the issue. Let's move to the next solution, if the problem still persists. The second option is restarting your computer, though it does not work in all situations, but it helps. Restarting your PC will help Chrome fix the problem by itself. But as per my experience, this option is not a permanent solution. This issue could come back when you turn on your PC after shutdown. Give it a try, hoping it will work. Third option, which could help you get rid of this annoying problem, is disabling hardware acceleration in Chrome. To disable hardware acceleration, click the icon with 3 dots at the top right. Go to Settings. Click on Advanced to expand. Press F3 to bring search bar. Now search for hardware acceleration. Turn it off if it's turned on. Restart Google Chrome and check if disabling hardware acceleration fixed it or not. You may face this problem if JavaScript is disabled in your copy of Google Chrome. Enabling JavaScript could help you get rid of the issue. To enable JavaScript, all you need to do is click the icon with 3 dots at the top right. Go to Settings. Click on Advanced to expand. Go to Content Settings. Expand JavaScript. Enable it if it is disabled. Restart your computer and then play videos. I hope enabling JavaScript will fix the issue. Some Chrome extensions also cause this annoying issue. Some extensions like ad blockers and others disable some core features of Google Chrome. Though it does not work all the time, but disabling installed extensions could help you fix the error. Don't disable all extensions at once. Disable installed extensions one after one and then check if it helps or not. The last option that I can suggest you to fix this annoying error is completely uninstalling Google Chrome with settings and leftovers. Before you remove Google Chrome, please keep in mind, if you don't use Google account to sign into Google Chrome for synchronization, then you will lose bookmarks, saved usernames, password, installed extensions and other things. Before you remove Chrome, please download and save Google Chrome installer. I would like to suggest to use Revo Uninstaller to remove Google Chrome completely with leftovers. This uninstaller software is free and safe to use. Download and install Revo Uninstaller. You may find the download link in the comment section. Click Finish to open Revo Uninstaller. Highlight Google Chrome from the list of all installed software, and then click Uninstall. Checkmark also delete your browsing data, and click Uninstall. It has uninstalled Chrome. You now need to tickmark Advanced Scan option, and click Scan button to scan for leftovers, files, folders, and registry items. Select all and click Delete. Click Yes. Select all and click delete. Click yes. You can now reinstall Google Chrome. I hope this will solve the issue for sure. Team Software Geeks hopes you find today's video useful and informative. Please use the comment section and do share any other option to get rid of this error. Please let us know if you run into any problems by using the comment section. We will try to help you solve your problem. Please visit softsuggester.com for more info and the download links. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Software Geek and help us make more helpful and informative videos.